Today we're sharing 10 quick and easy healthy meal prep ideas that you will love. This is an extra special video because this week is actually my 1-year work anniversary of working for myself full-time. So I just wanted to take a moment and thank all of you for being here and supporting me and following along on my journey. It truly means the world to me, and it is so exciting to be celebrating this with all of you. I tend to go for a simple chicken salad with some celery and grapes, but you can use different vegetables like apples, walnuts, or even dried cranberries. Start by adding the dressing at the bottom, followed by the veggies, grains, and proteins of your choice. For example, you could do a Mediterranean quinoa salad with cucumber, tomato, bell pepper, red onion, and feta cheese, or you could make a taco salad with corn chips, ground turkey, shredded cheese, lettuce, tomatoes, salsa, and sour cream. Simply combine canned tuna with your favorite toppings like celery, onion, pickles, relish, and mayonnaise. Season it with salt and pepper and serve it on bread or crackers. This is another one that can be made ahead of time and stored in an airtight container in the fridge for up to 4 days. You really can get creative with these, and there are endless possibilities. I tend to meal prep extra on Sunday so that I have leftovers throughout the week. That way, I always have a healthy option ready to go. If you're looking for some inspiration, check out my weekly meal prep videos where I share exactly what I'm making for the week. Sweet potato and black bean burrito bowls are a flavorful and nutritious meal that can be made in under 30 minutes. Leave a comment below and let me know if you try any of these recipes. Be sure to subscribe and come back for more next week. I'll see you soon. Bye. To make burrito bowls, simply cube a sweet potato and toss it with olive oil, salt, and pepper. Roast it in the oven until it's tender. While the sweet potato is roasting, cook some brown rice according to the package instructions. Once the sweet potato is done, add it to a bowl with black beans, corn, salsa, guacamole, and your favorite toppings. This is another customizable meal that you can change up based on your preferences. For example, you can add in tofu or chicken. You can use red or white rice. You can use any beans that you like. The possibilities are really endless. This meal can be stored in an airtight container in the fridge for up to 4 days. Just make sure that you leave space at the top for a little bit of air, because the longer that things sit together, the softer that they may get. Simply combine rolled oats, milk, yogurt, chia seeds, and maple syrup in a jar or container. Let it sit in the fridge overnight, and then top it with fresh berries and a sprinkle of chopped nuts. This is a great grab-and-go breakfast option that you can meal prep ahead of time. In fact, I usually make a big batch of overnight oats on Sunday so that I have them ready to go for the week. Store these in the fridge for up to 5 days. Give it a little stir before eating and enjoy. Simply spread avocado on a whole wheat tortilla and top it with sliced turkey breast, lettuce, tomato, and your favorite condiments. Wrap it up and enjoy. You can make these ahead of time and store them in the fridge for up to 3 days. Add a simple dressing like Greek yogurt or mayo and season it with salt and pepper and a little bit of Dijon mustard. Hearty and comforting. Lentil soup is another one of my go-to meals when I don't feel like cooking. They're super versatile. To make breakfast burritos, simply scramble some eggs with your favorite toppings like onions, peppers, beans, cheese, or meat. Once the eggs are cooked through, spread some salsa or guacamole on a whole wheat tortilla and fill it with your egg mixture. Roll it up, wrap it tightly in foil, and store it in the fridge for up to 3 days. When you're ready to eat, unwrap it, microwave it for about a minute, and enjoy. Lentils are a great source of fiber and protein, and they're also very affordable. There are many different types of lentils, so feel free to use whatever you have on hand. Green lentils hold their shape really well, so they're great for soups and stews. Brown and red lentils tend to break down a little more, so they're great for dips and spreads. To make lentil soup, Simply saute some onions, carrots, and celery. Then add in your lentils, broth, and seasonings. Bring it to a boil, and then reduce the heat and simmer until the lentils are tender. Serve with a drizzle of olive oil and a sprinkle of fresh parsley. You can make this ahead of time, and it actually tastes better the next day, so it's perfect for meal prepping. Leftovers can be stored in an airtight container in the fridge for up to 4 days. Serve it on a bed of lettuce or over a whole grain like quinoa or barley. This is one that you can definitely make ahead of time. Just store it in an airtight container in the fridge for up to 4 days. You can eat it cold, or you can bring it to room temperature before serving. To celebrate, I figured why not share some of my favorite healthy meal prep ideas. These are some of my go-tos that I've been making for myself over the past year when I do and feel like cooking, or I need a quick and easy grab-and-go meal that I can take to my desk, and I hope that you enjoy them too. Let's get started. Idea No. 1. Black bean burgers. Black bean burgers are hands down one of my favorite ways to use black beans. Mash them up with some seasonings and form them into burger patties. They're delicious, filling, and packed with plant-based protein. Top them with your favorite burger toppings and serve them on whole wheat buns for a nutritious lunch or dinner. You could also serve them over a bed of greens or rice. If you want to add more flavor, you can saute some onions and peppers and mix them in. If you want to make these ahead of time, you can cook them through on the stove top and then stick them in the oven to finish cooking. Or you can cook them completely in the oven. Once they're cooked through, store them in an airtight container in the fridge for up to 4 days. No. 2. Chicken salad. A simple chicken salad is another quick and easy meal that I go to when I am pressed for time. Idea No. 3. Mason jar salads. Mason jar salads are great because they're portable, customizable, and they last a long time. Idea number 4. Lentil soup. Number 5. Breakfast burritos. I love breakfast burritos for breakfast, brunch, or even dinner. No. 6. Tuna salad. Another classic go-to is tuna salad. It's quick and easy to make, and it's also packed with protein. Number 7. Sweet potato and black bean burrito bowls. Number 8. Overnight oats. Overnight oats are a delicious and nutritious breakfast. It can be made in just 5 minutes. No. 9. Turkey and avocado wraps. Turkey and avocado. Wraps are a quick and easy lunch or dinner option that is packed with protein and healthy fats. Number 10. Leftovers. Last but not least, leftovers are always a great option when you're looking for a quick and easy meal. Alright, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and let me know what you think.